makeup industry is growing faster than ever. I mean, I think everyone now is about like simplifying their beauty routine and simplifying, you know, even their beauty shacks or kits. Do you know what I'm saying? Think of this as mind, body, kit. One tip, if it smells, throw it out. That's an easy one. And you want to make sure that you're getting rid of definitely your mascara within 3 months. And I know that's a little bit crazy. BURT'S has this amazing Nourishing mascara. And I will say this also, people. It's not going to break the bank. So replace your mascaras. A lot of times we buy natural products and they don't pay off. Well, that is not true for the liquid lipstick that comes in 18, count them. Can you count them? I don't even think my 4-year-old can count up to 18, but maybe. 18 shades, from nude all the way to berry and everything in between, warm, cool, you got it all. They cover the gamut. Look at this. I mean, what? So gorgeous. This is Blush Brook. There's shea butter in here, there's apricot, it's a mineral rich color and it stays on. That's important too, especially when you're working on people that are gonna be doing all day events, honey. These are formulated without petroleum, dimethicone, or synthetic dyes. Way to go, BURT'S. Now everybody needs lip gloss in their kit. Sometimes we just want a shiny lip. Can I get a what? So this lip gloss comes in 6 different shades. It has avocado oil hydrating it. It has no silicones or parabens. I'm getting rid of all the other ones and these are going in there. Okay, now you know that I love a lip and a cheek. These are the Aglow. Now what I love about these is it has this coconut core in the middle, so it leaves your skin hydrated and dewy but still gives you color, making it super blendable. But it doesn't get dry and like it won't stay in my like old cracks. This one really brings me joy. This is Peony Pool. If you're just going for a day look, it's just like a swipe and a swipe. Hydration Station Nation. Now you know I love to layer, so we used a cream blush, and then I love to use a powder blush to kind of seal everything in. Makes it last longer. This is also made with bamboo and honey. It's vitamin infused and has no talc. This is Shy Pink. I'm so shy. Now let's talk about foundation. Goodness Glow's liquid makeup. Let's talk about it. So you can take all these colors, and if you're a makeup artist like me, you want to have a range, right, of a lot of different colors. They're water soluble, which is nice. They are hydrating. You can build the coverage as you go. You can use them also. I like to use them even as concealer, which is amazing. And I'm just really excited about Goodness Glow's liquid makeup. This is going in my kit, honey. I'm replacing. Okay, guys, it's about that mattifying powder. So you got to take down the T-zone, right? So this is a powder foundation with bamboo, no talc. We have a sponge, so you can get a heavier coverage if you want. And it's not drying. So it's like a hydrating mattifier, which is good because you don't want to get powders that like dry out your entire complexion so that you have creaks and crevices. That's not what we're trying to do here, people. We even got eyeshadows, baby. Put a little bit on. I'm gonna get in here. Now they're long wearing. I don't have to use that much, and they have such a ton of payoff, people, which is my favorite thing. There's no parabens. They're 100% all natural. We got many different shades, baby. And listen, a lot of people complain that they're worried about their contact lenses or they have sensitive eyes. These are great if you have sensitive eyes. So high five, bringing me joy, so much joy. Also, you thought I would skip out, but good for sensitive eyes too is their eyeliner. These are made with meadow foam. They're ophthalmologist tested and approved. And they have mango oil in them. I mean, who doesn't want more mango in their life? They glide on too. They're very easy to put on, which is important. We even got brow pencils with spoolies on the other end to really get that shape perfect. You guys, this is amazing. They're dermatologist tested. They have jojoba oil in them. Now all these pencils are made from responsibly sourced cedar wood. So being super conscious I mean, that's amazing. Listen, just because you're getting better stuff that's going to be better for your skin doesn't mean that it's not affordable. And that's like what I love about Burt's Bees is like all this stuff is affordable. There's no product that's going to be over $16.99, which I think is pretty insane. Do I want to be better for the environment? Do I want to be better for myself? Yes. Do I want to declutter my life? Yes. And it starts with your beauty, baby. So now I have everything I need for my clean kit. All my people are going to be so happy. And look, I even have space for other stuff. Oh, guys.